Hello everyone. So we will continue over the Superstore Power BI dashboard project part. So in previous videos we have seen like how to create a title, how to create a logo and how to create a different card visual in the dashboard. Now in this particular video we are going to see about the bar chart, how to create one bar chart based on the requirement. So our requirement is saying like our stakeholders wants that how the sales is happening over the years, means they want to know how their sales is happening over the years. That is the thing they want to know. So what we had to do, so suppose we have a date for the 2016, 2017, 2018, 2019, means over year how the sales is happening, that particular trend we had to show. So suppose in 2016 this is the sales, 2017 this is the sales, 2018 this is the sales, and 2019 this is the sales. Means they want to see the how the sales is happening, that actually they want to know. Suppose 200 million, 300 million, 400 million, 500 million. So this kind of the chart actually we will show it to them. So let's see how to create that. I'll open my Power BI desktop. So I have opened my Power BI desktop. Now what actually we are going to do, we are going to create one bar chart. So you can see in the visualization, right? You can see, you will see different bar chart. We are going to select the cluster column chart as of now. Here only we are going to show the bar chart. And what is our requirement? Our requirement is like year over year how the sales is happening, that we want to show. So let's first analyze the data. So I'll go into the table view part. In the table view part, you can see we have one of the column date. From here we will get the year, and also we have one of the column sales, means year over year the sales actually we can show that. But if you will see this order date, right, this is not in a proper date format. So how actually we can convert date format? So on the top you can see this whole number, right? This you can convert into the date and time. Once you will convert into the date and time, click on the refresh. Once you will do this, you can see now order date converted into the proper date and time. Now once you will do this, right, in order date, you can see one date hierarchy got created, like year, quarter, month and day. So year over year, quarter over quarter, month over month, say day over day, you can show the any kind of the trend, means based on the date hierarchy automatically got created. So this actually we will use. So let's come to the our report view. I'll select this chart. Once you will select this chart, right, in a, you can see in a data, and also here x-axis, y-axis it is showing, right. What actually we'll do, we'll select the year. In order date you can see year is there. I'll select this, I'll drag into the x-axis. Similarly we have a sales actually I will drag into the y-axis. Once you will do this, right, you can see one bar chart got created. One bar chart got created. In x-axis we are showing all the year, in the y-axis we are showing all the sales. Now let's see how actually we can format it properly so that it will look good. So what you have to do, you have to select the first chart, go to the format your visual. Once you will do this, right, you can see first it is showing the x-axis. In x-axis if you want to do any changes, first is the type. So type is continuous or category. So we are showing the category wise, right, 2016, 17, 18. So we'll select the category. Now after that it is asking for the value. So you can see 2016, 17, 18, 19, whatever is written, right, it should show properly. So we'll increase the font size. So 20 I will make, and I'll make the bold. So you can see now, you can see properly, right, 16, 17, 18 and 19. Similarly for the y-axis also we'll do edit. In a y-axis I will make the size as a 20, and we'll make the bold, so that this also 1 million, 2 million it will show properly. So that edit we have done. And now what is our requirement? Now as of now you can see this 2016, 17, 18, 19, right, this is showing in the a blue color. But suppose you want to change this color, so how you have to do, first you have to select this, go into format visual, go to the column. In the column you can see you have a color. Now this color you can change. If I change this color, so all things will get converted into the this particular color. Now suppose you want to, your stakeholder is saying like for each year they want to have a different color, like 16 should be in different color, 17 should be in different color. How you can do that? So you can see in a category itself, right, if you can see, we can select the 2016, and you want to change the some other color. Let me make. Similarly, for the 2017, you want to have a different color. You can select that. Similarly, for the 2018, you want to have a different color. You can select that. And 2019 is this color. So like this, actually, we can select the color. Now, even if you want to add a border in border of this particular chart, that also you can add the border from here. But as of now, I am not going to do that. Now, this is the bar chart got created. Now, if you will hover it, right, in 2019, if you will hover, you will see in 2019 how the sales is happening. In 2018 also how the sales is happening. 2017 also. Now let's see whether it is interactive or not. It means if I select only, if I click on the 2016, so it should show me only the 2016 data. Means other in the top also we have, right, it should show only the 2016 data. So let me click that. So you can see as of now 12.64. Let me click on the 2016. So if I click on the 2016, right, you can see it is interactive. Now the top also it is showing me only the 2016 data. If I select 2017, it is showing me only the 2017 data. If I select 2019, it will show me only the 2019 data. So like that, actually it is automatically interactive. Means if you will select any of the year, on the top also you will see the result for that particular year only. Now if I am hovering, then only I can see the sum of sales, the number, but my stakeholder wants that number should display here. So what actually I will do, I'll select this, go to the format usual. You can see one data label is there. Click on that. Once you will add this, you can see this 4.3 million, this number got added. So let's increase the font size for that. In data labels, you can see we have a value. Let's make the value as a proper 20, and let's make it as bold so that it will show properly. If you want to change the color, you can change the color also from here. Let's make some other color, blue color. You can see 4.3 million, 2.7 million, like this. Actually you can do that. So like this, actually we can add the visual. Now this is, we have created the bar chart. Now this also you want to edit more. So what actually you can do, go to the general, in the format visual, go to the general. These are the options we have seen, right? If you want to increase the height, if you want to add the title, so you can see sum of sales here in the top right, sum of the sales of year it is showing. This also you can edit it. So suppose I want to make it bold, and what actually I want it to display in the center, and also let's make this as a 18. You can see sum of sales of year it is showing. Even background color also, if you want to change, you can change it, but as of now the white looks good to me, so I am not going to change that. Now subtitle also, if you want to add, you can add that. So now let's see in effects, the background effects. If you want to change, it is in white color, but if you want to change any other color, you can change like this. I'll go with the white color only. Visual border, if you want to add a border, if you want to add a corner, right, you can add that. So let me add that. So once I have added, you can see this corner actually got added. It looks good, right? Now I will add a, what actually I was doing in effects border we have added, we'll add the shadow also. So I have added a shadow. Offset I will make the inside so that it will look good. So you can see border also got added. Now it's looking good, right? So like that, actually any formatting if you want, you can do here. And now go to the general, date effects. We have added the visual border, we have added a shadow, and in a date format, anything you want to add the format, and that actually you can do that. But as of now, I think we are good. So like this, actually we can create a bar chart.